everyone, and welcome back to our Posworx training. Today I'm going to be talking to you about user templates. I'm going to show you on how to create a user template. User templates are handy when creating lots of users and applying different roles to those users. Example, sales assistant, manager, or area manager. All these users have different roles and different user permission. Example, who can do a sale, who can void a sale, who can do a discount, etc. I'm now going to show you how to create a user template. On the home screen, click on Management, Users. The same method would appear as when you're creating a new user, except a simple checkbox will define the difference. Click New User. Enter in the template details. Password is the default password 1234. This can be changed at a later stage. I'm going to remove the discount and tick Security Template to create this template. Select the next tab, Stores. Tick Head Office, as you will only need to enable the user template at Head Office. Click on Edit. An Access Rights dialog box like this appears. All these options here represent different modules in Posworx. Example, laybys, petty cash, promotions, products. All these have different security rights. I'm going to select a drop down to a basic sales template. Click Apply. Are you sure you want to apply the selected template sales to the current user? I'm going to say yes, and you can click OK. Or you can modify the template by clicking on the plus on sales and selecting what rights the user can and cannot do. Change price, debtor sales, do cash up, sales, gift card return. When you're done selecting the rights for the user, click OK and OK on the bottom. And that is how you would create a user template on Posworx. You can select a user, click Edit, click on Stores, click Edit, and you can select the template that you've just created for this user. Apply, yes, OK, and OK. And that's the end of our training. Please like and subscribe to our channel.